start. We do it slowly, yeah? So if you have a question, just raise your hand. So from here, you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 counts, take your time. 6, 7, and back. So your head is leaning back, really to the back, of course. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Sit on 4. The first one, no hand, isolation. 5, 6. Release this one on 7 and 8. Very good. Then you're gonna look here. I'm looking to the mirror so I can see you. Okay, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, sit. 5, 6, release. 8. Magic. 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. From here, you need to walk to the front because some of you I don't see walking. Set. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Side. 3, 4. 2 counts. 3, 4. This is up. 5 and 6. So hit twice. 5 and 6. Front. 7. So you're gonna need to show your chest. 7, 8. Look. 1, 2. 2 counts. One more time. So from here, 6, 7, open, up, close, 1 and 2, 3, 4, up on 5 and 6, front, 7, 8, 1, 2. Don't put your hand here, it's up to you. You can put it like. Let's try from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and drop. 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Next, from here, this is 2 count. 1, 2, 3. Hit on 4. This is 5. Close on 6. Copy. This is 7, 8. 1, 2. One more time. So this is 1, 2, 3, hit on 4, 5, close on 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Let's continue from here. 2, go up on 3 and 4, like 2, 2, 3 and 4. Turn step your left on 5, 6, run to the front, 7, 8. Make sure you end up left to the front. One more time. From here. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, and 8. Let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, away. 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, close, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, front, 7, 8. Good job. Next. Let's finish this from here. Go down, pull it, 1. So it's very common when you pull it, your legs open. But going down, 6, 7, and 1, 2, double, 3, 4. My bone is cracking. Side, 5, 6, 7. This one is higher. 8. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your weight is on your left. Change to your right. 5, close on 6, away on 7, 8, 1, 2, turn around, 3, 4, close on 5, look on 6, 7, 8. Let's continue to 8. Okay, again. So run to the front, okay, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, side, 5, 6, higher, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, away, lift, 1, drop on 2, turn around, 3, 4, close, 5, look, 7, and 8. Last 8. Here we go. From here, you should hit 1, 2, 3, down on 4, 3, 4, down on 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Make sure you step on 2 to really exit. Yes. Good job. Let's try one more time. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, exit. Okay. Okay, everybody, let's start from the beginning. You ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, last, 3, down, 5, hit, 7, 8, turn, exit. Yes!